So February the 25th, today I'm right here. This is what I want to know. I want to know how bad this is. So I have covered up the engine right there so we don't get all this nasty dust down in there. But right here, we're going to start right here. And we're going to see exactly how far this bondo goes right here. And then I believe also we're going to get the rear view or get the rear windshield out today. Let's get it done. We're certainly not going to get it done here sitting here with my thumb up my, oh. Okay, another day's work in the bag. Well, not really. It's not a day's work. It's just a couple hours. Anyway, what am I going on about? All right, here's what we got. I told y'all this is way worse than I could have ever imagined. I'm going to have to go get me a grinder because I don't have a grinder. But you can see we've got some homemade exhaust cutouts right there. Those are just juicy and right. Look at that. Looks like something from Alcatraz. But anyway, I am not going to tear out the apron. I'm just going to fix this. I don't know how well. No, I'm just kidding. I'm going to fix it and I'm going to bondo the shit out of it. Guess we'll get to see if I can still do body work or not. But anyway, and not only is that our success story for the day, but I've also realized that there is no bondo on the hood or the bonnet, whatever you want to call it. And look right there. Donna. I knew it!
Need help?
Oh no, this is good glass.
Yeah, that's perfect.
We just need new weather stripping. This is great. I would like to say one small little thing. Without this tool right here, that would have never been possible. The utility knife is king as far as I'm concerned. So here's what we got left. We've got, speaking of king, what in the hell are you?
Give me a break.
All right, so we've got the side windows left to come out. We've still got a lot of sanding, but look at that. They have tucked that factory headliner inside the weather stripping. All right, so, and y'all, let you see right here, the rear glass is obviously a lot smaller than the front. I did better getting that weather stripping out. All right, so moving right along. I keep forgetting about the hood. So here's what we're going to, here's the next thing. Next, we got to take the rest of the trim off. We got to take that hood latch off. Start working on the hood. Also, we got to go ahead and take off these, the license plate holder and the license plate light so we can get into there to clean that out. Also, we got to bring those tires out and start mounting them out because we've got 4 fenders. Well, 3. Because this one right here, we got to get a new one because, oh, that's not the one. One of these has a massive hole in it. Anyway.
I think it's the one on the passenger right.
You're right, it is over there.
Right.
You're exactly right. My man knows. All right, anyway, so another day in. I don't know what part it is. Part 3 million.
Probably going to take that much to get this completely fixed.
Listen to him. It's not going to take much more. He ain't sanded the first piece.
Oh, whatever. Whatever.
Have a hopply.